What are you doing? Shh. Coco. Lewis. Don't go near Brody. Brody, be nice. Coco. Chaos. George. Hi, George. How are you? You having fun? Hi, Coco. Hi, Zoe. What do we have over here? Stella. Oh, bye, Stella. Denzel. Stella in the corner. She doesn't want to share her bully stick. Stella. Stella. There you are. Hi, Stella. Here's Lewis. Doesn't know what to do with himself. Hi, Lewis. Hi. You're so funny. Macy. Where's your bully stick? Who's here in the corner? Who's up here? This is Angel. She's up on the dolly bed. She wants nothing to do with these dogs. Who's that, Zoe? Is that Angel? Is that little Angel? Hi, honey. How can you be so cute? Hi. I love you. Who loves you? Yes, we do. And George. Coco wants to say hi to Angel. Angel, you don't want anything to do with these dogs, do you? No. Angel thinks she's a person. Do you think you're a person? I know I'm a person. Hi, honey. Do you know you're a person? Chaos, what are you doing? What are you doing? Chaos, who are you causing trouble with now? Alright, that's it. That's the morning crew.